Today again I will share new income app. How do you earn money at home? Please watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe if you want to earn money. So let's start how we earn from new apps. Everyone join our Telegram channel. At download link video description. First we need to create an account. Select any of your Gmail. Account login successfully. I got $0.30.30 USD free by logging into the account. I got 25 free tickets as soon as I made an account. First we will click on the task offer. Not support from my country, please try. You can earn more points by doing surveys here. Click here to earn tickets. And click here to play the game. This game is really awesome. Here will be the above question and click on the answer below. Every correct answer will get 20 free points. Watch your little while I play the game. You will get 50 points for rating on Play Store. Here are the social media jobs. 100 free points if you follow Facebook page. There is also Instagram and Telegram. I did all the tasks and I got 150 points on. And you can earn by referral from here. This is my referral code and 10% refer. Click on wallet option to take payment. Click on add payments. International PayPal is supported. You can take payment from India in 2 ways. Click provided PayPal email and username. Thanks for watching the video.